Throw up the sex in her.
I need to go back to therapy.
And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her. Throw up the sex in her.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, midnightchocolat, and you're back with another vlog. This is the bank holiday weekend and birthday celebration, late one, but let's do a throwback on my birthday. Weekend before my birthday, had brunch with best friend, got my hair done. I will be putting that in another video. On my actual birthday, got to do what I love the most, which is acting. I had an audition at the ITV studios. And it was honestly great. Came back home, spent time with my family. I dressed up, took pictures. If you haven't seen it on Instagram yet, go follow me on Instagram, midnightchocolat. And I just had a wholesome day with my family. And yeah, celebrating later this weekend. Home watching Chrissy B Styles, What's Working. Got myself a bubble tea, brown sugar bubble tea to be exact. Yum. Good morning. And now I'll probably look into. I just recorded this and I realized that what I put it on was covering it. So hopefully this is working. I didn't record much yesterday. It was just one of those days. You probably see that I was at the GP. I had my cervical smear test. If you're about to turn 25 or you have turned 25, make sure you go do it. It's very important. Yeah, although I was avoiding it for a while. I got the letter time ago, but I was avoiding it because I just, when it comes to health and stuff, I just get a bit, which made me realize I need to go back to therapy. And so I asked my GP as well about it, just because I feel like mental health affects people very differently. However, I'm quite self-aware of myself, but I also know that, like, if I want to be in denial and dissociate myself, I will. And yeah, I just feel like there's a lot of emotions that sometimes I don't process because things are happening so fast. I just don't have time to digest my emotions and get with it and kind of understand it and heal from it. So I'll just kind of keep going. And I'm a person where, like, if, like, I'm not in a good place, or if I'm, like, not all necessarily, but, like, if something's happening, or if I'm emotionally troubled about something, or, like, mentally I'm just like, meh, I'll, like, overwork, and I will, like, put all my energy in working, and I won't rest, because I'm like, I'd rather be keeping myself busy than have to, like, stop and reflect and think. And I don't like having to reflect, because then I'll have to reflect on my emotions, which is, I know, it's good to be self-aware, because at least that way that's step one, and then the next step is doing something about it, which I am, and I'll definitely keep you guys up to date about that. In fact, I should actually do a video about therapy because it's actually really beneficial. But yeah, so then after, worked from home, ended up finishing an hour earlier, bank holiday, whoop whoop. And yeah, so today I need to fix my bed because my fucking boards on my bed have decided to come off, so I need to fix that. I need to pack for my photo shoot tomorrow. I'm waiting for my orders to come through. I think some of my Amazon orders have come through, which I will show you. And I'm waiting for my pretty little thing order to come through, because some of the stuff I'm going to wear for the photo shoot is there. Also, my outfit for tonight is going to be there. Celebrating my birthday tonight. Whoop whoop. So I'm really excited. Heading to Nine's Lounge. That's going to be really pretty. It's a new restaurant that's just opened up in South London in Greenwich. So beautiful. So aesthetically pleasing. So pictures are going to be banging. And yeah, I'm trying to think what else. Let me double check that this has been recording okay. Loki. He's busy cleaning himself. We'll go back to him. Hello, sweetie pie. You okay? You okay, baby? And he's back. It's recording well. We thank God. Yeah, so that's the plan. So right now, I'm gonna fix my bed, sort out my laundry, pack. I feel like I need to do something else. Oh, I need to get my nails done. I need to get my nails done. I need to get my nails done. Yeah, I need to get my nails done. And, yeah, I need to get my nails done. Welcome to the bank holiday weekend / birthday celebration. Woo! Let's get going. Whoop, so, first Amazon deliveries here. Woo, I'm so excited. Okay. We got tapioca starch. Now, if you don't know what tapioca starch is, good for baking, but I ain't baking no bacon. I'm making bubble balls because I'm about to make myself an unlimited amount of bubble tea. Look at that. It's just waiting for me to make it. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. I might make a bubble tea before I go today. Okay. And these are the glasses. Look, Instagram, TikTok made me do it. These glasses are so cool. Let me make a reel as well. I'm definitely going to make a reel out of this. I'm opening it up with one hand, so excuse me. Oh, they look so cool. Oh my god. Oh, look, the bamboo lids. Let's take one cup out. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Oh, not the whole thing going. Oh, let's see this. Oh, how pretty does this look? Oh, let's take it out of the bag. Oh my god, these look amazing. And then inside is what you clean it with. And I think in the other ones, oh, hold on a second. I think the straws. So this comes with 4 glasses, 4 bamboo lids, and a place for you to put the straws in. No, these are just the other ones. Oh, I think the straws are here. Okay. Let me put this back. Because we got a Modi content here, my ladies and gentlemen. And here's the glass straws. 4 bent, 2 cleaning brush. The glass straws. Okay, cool. So they gave me a cleansing brush for the glasses and for the straws. I'm really excited to see these straws. And also, this is very good for the environment, guys. It's glass. And we've got bamboo lids. And I can take this anywhere. Hold on. It's so hard. It's so hard doing things with one hand. Let's see. Oh, do you see that? Let me try to get one out. Excuse my dry ass hands. Ooh, these are cute. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that is package 1 out of 2. No, package 1 out of 3. I've got 4 packages today. I've got my cat's food coming today, the wet food. I've also got my jewelry that I'm going to be wearing tonight and tomorrow for the photo shoot and for the outing for my birthday. So that's cool. Okay. Next order. So I've got the tapioca starch out. I made the tapioca balls. I'm just making it here with my sister. Say hey. Hello. But yeah, we're just gonna continue making these balls, and then I want to boil it. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be making an Instagram reel and TikTok of it, so make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Midnight Chocolat. I think I'm Midnight Chocolat on TikTok as well. Yeah, I'll put it down below. More deliveries. I hope that one of these are my cat's food. I'm going to blur my address. I can see it here just now. I'm definitely gonna blur that. So let's unpack. Okay, first package. Oh, I'm so excited because if it's my jewelry, well, if it's my jewelry, it is my jewelry. Oh shoot! Yes, it is. Okay. Do you see that butterfly? Oh, I'm about to look drippy tonight. Let's look. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the glisten on that. Oof. 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 Look at that. You see that? Zoom in. Zoom in on that. You see the glisten? I got my sister in the back as the camera woman say whoop whoop. And I got this. It's meant to be like a Cuban link-ish bracelet. But look at the glisten on that. Wild tuna and herring, delicious salmon and trout, roast turkey and duck, succulent lamb and liver. Yum. He's in for a treat. Okay, let's get back to the boba agenda.
I've been a throw up the sex in a and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been a throw up the sex in a and I can put you in. Throw up the sex in a and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in a and I can put you in.
Getting into that massage today. We doing a roast. We having roast chicken. Look at that. We're making some sweet potatoes. We're having Sunday roast our style. We're gonna have some salad as well. Then we got dessert. Oh, let me show you what's for dessert. Happy Sunday, folks. Happy Sunday, folks. See you in a bit. Look at this feast. Oh, we got the chicken, the sweet potato, and the salad. Oof. I am about to eat up. Bon appetit. Don't get in the car. Let me try to get some sweet potato. Ooh, ooh. Sweet potato don't want to get on the fork. A little bit of the salad. That's a creamy sweet potato. We're just watching Raising Kanan. Ooh. I need to dye my hair. I think if I bleach it, it'll be fine. And on that note, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate you so much. See you in the next video. Peace.